Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting the process now. Open YouTube and sign in if needed so you can control playback and cues. Once on the desktop site or mobile app, go to the watch page where videos play. Locate the Up Next cue. On desktop, it's the right-hand column. On mobile, tap the mini player or the three dots menu. Make sure the video list is visible so you can edit items. This immediate step lets you access the cue items you'll remove or pause next. Now, remove or modify items in the queue. Hover over a desktop item or tap and hold on mobile, then pick Remove from the three-dot menu to delete single videos. Once done, clear multiple entries by selecting Clear Queue if available, or remove items consecutively until only the video you want remains. Also, make sure to toggle autoplay off so YouTube won't automatically append the next video. This prevents future items from reappearing. Finish by confirming the queue is empty and autoplay is disabled. Play a single video to verify nothing else starts. If items persist, reload the page or restart the app and sign out, then back in to refresh your session. If the queue still repopulates, check browser extensions, playlist settings, or any synced devices that might push videos back. One troubleshooting tip: disable extensions and test again. Often a plugin or a device with YouTube open is re-adding items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.